Right now we're waiting on Q14, I believe. It should be a freight train coming from Ohio, if I'm not mistaken. And as you guys can see, they all have red signals. The furthest one for the mark is for the mark, and the one that's furthest is the train that you're about to see. So yeah.